Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 27th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So the pound yen finally gave us a nice break of structure. I warned about this yesterday. I said that it looks like it potentially could go down for a wave C, but I think it were better off trying to go long, and that this move down could just be a crutch into this move up, and it could just keep going up. This is why it's so important to pay attention to your higher time frames. Because now we have a break of structure. I mean, the trend is definitely up, and I am definitely bullish. That doesn't mean there's not going to be big moves to the downside on shorter time frames, but I do think we are going to make our way up to at least the 78% fib on the daily. So keeping that in mind, I would definitely be recommending longs, especially now that we got a break of structure. Now, just be warned that sometimes after you get a break of structure, you do get a pretty significant pullback. Whether or not this plays out like this, I have no idea. But I do know that if I do see a significant pullback, especially if it's a three-way pullback, then that would be exactly what I would be looking for more long opportunities. The trend is up on the higher time frames. Like I said yesterday, the trend technically wasn't up yesterday, but it definitely looked like because of the JPY basket that the trend would continue up. So if you were list following along with my videos and paying attention and trading with the higher time frame trends, trading with the JPY basket index, then you've probably been doing pretty good. And I definitely would recommend longs at the end of every pullback I see. Whether it makes a pullback or not, I have no idea. I'm just saying when it makes a pullback, be ready to look for more long opportunities. So, anyways, thank you for watching and happy trading as always.